Hello, today I'm going to show you how to change the cabin air filter in your 2013 through 2020 Mazda CX-5. It's basic routine maintenance for your vehicle and it should be done about every 2 years or about every 15,000 to 30,000 miles. You got a quote from the dealership to do this and it was $65, which is crazy because it took me less than a minute to do and the filter I bought on Amazon for less than $15. The first thing you need to do is come to the glove box, open it up, and take out whatever junk you have in there. Then push on the two sides of the glove box. There's two pins, one on each side, that need to be pushed in just a little bit so that the glove box can open all the way. Then go underneath and you'll see the air filter. There's a little tab, push up on it, and the air filter will slide right out. Remember the direction that you pull the old air filter out in because the new one will need to go in the same way. Mine's pretty dirty and needs to be changed. Compare the old filter to the new filter. Make sure that they're exactly the same. Then take the new cabin air filter with the tab down and slide it right in. Push it all the way back and you'll hear a little click. That'll let you know that it's fully in and you are done. So push those two tabs back in and then put your junk back in the glove box and close it up. You are done. I can't believe the dealership wanted $65 for that when it only took a minute and I could get the filter on Amazon for less than $15. So if you are looking to try this out for yourself, there is a link to the filter that I bought in the description below. Let me know if you try it out and how it went for you.